Hey guys, I hope this video helps you. This is the dashboard tutorial. When I first joined FLiP, I don't know where to go and where is which, okay? So I'm now on my dashboard here, and to go here is from this profile on the bottom right icon here on the profile. It's really so hard to identify the usage of all what's in our dashboard, all right? So as you can see, we have here the wallet. We're going to go there later. I'm so glad. And thank you for my followers. I already have 32. Oh, I didn't realize that. And I also follow some people there. On here, you can also see the link. I'm a website designer for more than 12 years now. So that's the one I put there. I'm also an affiliate marketer and doing some tutorials on YouTube. I couldn't even see this menu over here. So this is the menu for all your videos. Let me scroll down. So I'm going to cross this first because this is notification of all your invites. So we're going to cross it here for a while. So you can see videos over there. So these are all my videos, and this is where we can see how many people are watching. I have watched your videos. This is the saved one. If I don't have any saved right now, but I'm going to say save some. These are the videos that you always want to go back with. And desire is, these are the products that I really, really want to have. And some are free, some are for purchase already. And because I have a lot to review that I just got yesterday, will purchase again right after my reviews. Now, it is so important to go to the account. On this account over here is where we communicate with our support. This is the shortcut to the wallet. This is also the shortcut to the wallet over there. This is where you can see all your orders. All right, like that. Let's go back. And my likes. Okay, live support is very, very helpful. They're really live. Actually, last night I messaged support because I have some question and they replied to me very quickly. And then the payment, the shipping, notification. This is the shortcut, the top one, the top icon. So that's a notification. And this letter F on top is the messaging to your friends. And so, yeah, so you can also turn this dark mode to light mode if you like. I like the dark mode for my eyes. And private account off. You don't want to turn off your account because you want to get friends here. You know, I love the members here in FLiP because they're really supportive. They're all very nice here, guys. Why will you go private? About FLiP is also important because that's the blog. That's something you want to know about FLiP. Their rules and regulations are also here. I read their blog every now and then if I could, and this is also where you will log out. Okay, once again, that is your account. Edit profile, of course, you all know that if you want to edit something on your profile, right, guys? This one is very important as well. We're going to go to the wallet. So here we have 4 tabs, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So, wow, I already have $2. I'm new here in FLiP, less than 10 days, and I already have $2 plus. Thank you so much for those viewing and following me. Love you guys. Okay, so this is important page, guys. You know why? This is where we can withdraw. Of course, we can cash out. A lot of tutorial about cash out. That will be a separate video that I will do. This is just walking you through the back office or the dashboard. Now, this is the one I've been looking for and no one is telling me. There is a folder here that you can drag up and down, okay? And this is where you will see how much you're earning per video. So this has 10 cents, this has 3 cents, 39 cents, 09 cents, what else, 0.08. I'm so happy that almost all of my videos has earnings already. So don't be afraid, guys. If you have a zero like this one, zero, maybe it's not shown yet or no one have seen it, guys. Okay, so this is the scrolling bar that is hidden. Okay, this is where you drag it. Now, what else? Get verified, guys, as soon as possible. All right, and you know that. You just click that and you will see the verification things. I'm going to click it so you can see. Right, okay, here. Actually, the first 2 to 3 days, I had a trouble of syncing my contacts, and I've been communicating with the FLiP support. And so what they advised me to do is uninstall the FLiP, the original one that I downloaded, and then I reinstall. Then it shows all my contact here. But you have to tell them as well about if there are discrepancies on this and this and this, because they said some glitches in the system or the program. So we're going to cross that. I hope I can make this quick. So watch reward. You know, when I'm going to bed, that's the time I've been watching, or sometimes in the morning while taking my breakfast. So I scroll like about 20, and one night I think I got 50 videos scrolling. You know, I watch some longer and some are just passing, you know. So, and in this reward, every time you're purchasing from the free, let's say you add free things, they're going to deduct your free value here, you know. So this is the use of this available rewards, where we get this from scrolling. You know, every time we scroll, it accumulates, right? So these are the discount from the not free products. Okay, that will be your discount. Now, for the startup, for you who just joined FLiP, please just buy one item, the lowest one if you want. If you don't want to use the 60% discount here, but me, I purchased 2 products on the 60%. And so as soon as you purchase, you will be able to post already, because if you haven't purchase anything, you cannot post with this icon here. Okay, that's the key. Regardless of amount, even just $1, these are all self-explanatory. You can read everything there. I don't have to explain. All right, guys. So much savings already. Let's go here to invite coupon. This is just simply saying invite more. I don't know why it became bigger. So that means you can invite more. So I invited few, but they're not, I think, buying yet. Now, this is the last tab on the house. What is on the house? This is where you can find the ranking. Okay, and then you can also move this ranking. Yes, like that, like that, like that. Okay. There's a rule on how to how you will get here. So just read that. And yes, we have a big allocation for if you are platinum, something like that, or if you are silver, what's this, icon, silver. So as you can see, everything is changing here. How you can get the free products if it's showing while you're browsing, while you're scrolling. Here, I think we're on the house, right on the house over here. Yeah, these are your free products. So if you have more money on the scrolling, so you will see more products here, guys. Now, how to add this to your desired products or saved? You just open it like that, touch it. Don't add to cart. Do not. You have to get for free over here, because it is offered to you free. You get for free over here. Or you can also mark the heart, so it will show on your desires. So now you know how to use the free items. All right, I think that's all for now, and I hope everyone is enjoying this FLiP, because I enjoyed it, guys. All right, good luck everyone, and God bless you all.